Episode 4! Why I bought property in Dubai instead of buying luxury car. If I wanted to, I could have bought a nice car years ago. In fact, we've used nice cars in the past. So even today, I can say that the car that we have is very reliable and a nice car for me. So we had first a Honda Civic, and then we drove a Jeep Wrangler, and then a BMW X6, and now we are having the Mitsubishi Pajero. So for me, those are nice cars. But here's the problem. That's why we sold those first few cars that we had. It takes money from your pocket every single month, from insurance, maintenance, and the depreciation. I'll rather owe something that pays me every month. That's why I bought property here in Dubai. As we all know, as I've said on my previous video, property here in Dubai will give you a very good rental income. 6 to 8% rental yield every year, net. That's so amazing. You cannot get that in other places in the world. I think the highest, if you check the statistic right now, that is the highest that you can get here in the UAE so far. Comparing it to London, New York, Madrid, this is the best rental yield that you will get as of this time. So guys, every time money comes, I ask myself one question. Will this make me richer, or will it just make me look richer? That's the difference between an asset mindset and lifestyle inflation. For me, a car is like lifestyle. A property that earns rental is an asset. My Dubai property is giving me a very good rental each month, and it has appreciation expectation in the long run. Is it a perfect investment? No. There are risks, I know that. But doing nothing has a risk too, right? So for me guys, it's still better to invest into something right now. We all know that real estate, regardless if it's land banking, building house and lot, that's why usong-uso din ngayon, di ba, yung build and sell. So, because whether you like it or not, kumbaga wala kang talo. Pagka bumili ka ngayon, ibenta mo next year, meron at meron yan kita. Meron yang at least 3 to 5%, okay? If the market is good, at least 10%. Or, magbe-break even ka pero nakatira ka ng libre. So, at the end of the day, it's still a win-win situation for you. So, if you have the money to buy a place, why not? So for me guys, I'm not against enjoying life. In fact, we do enjoy life to the fullest. Like we travel so much, like twice a year. We travel, we go places, we visit nice places, we eat to good restaurants. So we enjoy life. I just want my investment to pay for my lifestyle or to our lifestyle. Not even our salary. Because yung salary, it has an ending. Yung pagkita mo ng, pagka nagka-set up ka ng business na okay, it's unlimited. The potential of your earnings is much more with the salary that you are getting. Kaya nga, di ba, you just have to start somewhere. Kung ano ba yung investment na sa palagay mong okay, again, research. Do your research, due diligence, all of this, because it's a hard-earned money. Okay? So again, paano? This is the journey of an OFW trying to build freedom before retirement. One business, one investment, and one lesson at a time. See you sa next video.